Okay, here's the last video for Tibetan. These are the suffixes here. Okay. Now, these are 10 suffixes in Tibetan. 10 suffixes. You have ka, ga, ga, uh, da, na, ba, ma, a, ra, la, sa. Okay, those are our 10 suffixes there. And now here I just indicated the pronunciation that sometimes, like ga here, it's a slight K, sometimes silent, it's at the end, it could be silent, and sometimes there's a slight K sound, okay? Nga is a ng sound, as in sing at the end. Da is silent, but there's a vowel modification, which we're going to get into in a bit. And then na is an n sound, and there's also a vowel modification. And then you have the ba, it's a ba or p sound. So like if you have a word like yab, it could be yab or yap. Okay? And ma, the is an sound, and then the a is silent. Okay? And then here, ra is a r sound at the end, and then la sound, and then you have sa, silent, it's silent at the end, and also is a vowel modification. Okay, so what I mean by vowel modification is it pretty much changes. I made a chart here. Okay, first of all, a, I, u, e, o. Okay, so let's take the first two suffixes here, the na and la, because na, la, da, and sa, those they have vowel modifications to them. Okay, so let's start off with na, la. Now na, if the a automatically becomes e, an e sound. So I wrote an example up here. This will be this is like you have like ma. Like we know that the sa doesn't change the pronunciation of ma, it stays ma, so it would be read as ma, like a man, but since there's this suffix here, it modifies this, it modifies the a sound, so it becomes e, men, it'd be men. That's why it's e here, the a becomes the e sound, so men. The inherent a, the a is the inherent a, and the inherent a is pretty much all sounds like ah, like these, like for example, when I sound these out, ka, ga, they all have inherent a sounds. So ka, ga, da, na, ba, ma, all those, the a's you hear, that's the inherent a sound. So here, it won't be man, it'll be men, because of this suffix change, this suffix here. So it affects the inherent a, so it becomes e. Now, if it's an e here, okay, gigu is an e. Instead of e, it will become it, an it sound. It, as in it. So here, it won't be in, it will be in, because of the suffix in. It's a vowel modification, so it will become in. All right. If it's u, it will become an u sound. U. Those of you who are familiar with the Turkish letter u, it's that letter with the two dots on top. So that u will become an u due to this vowel modification from this in here. Okay, so u. Now e or drengbu e, pretty much it's still an e. So here, chenpo, 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 chenpo. Okay. So ed, chenpo, is, I mean, the original pronunciation of ed, of the drinking bowl is ed, so it's going to stay ed. So, chenpo, okay? And then we have this naro, okay? O sound, it will become an same as Turkish sound, like a And the example here we have we have what? It'll be kyu, like this. Kyud. Okay. And here I didn't mark anything because it's the same thing. The na la goes together and the da sa goes together. The la here it follows the same rule. The same rule applies. As long as this la acts as a suffix, then it will change the it will do the same thing, act the same way as na. Okay, that's why I didn't mark anything. It's pretty much similar. See my time. All right, so it's similar. Now let's go down here to the da and sa. So these two suffixes here are silent. They're silent as suffixes, and they also have vowel modification. Now I haven't made any examples up here like the other ones, but you're gonna get a pretty good idea of how it works. So let's start off with the inherent A. So the inherent A for da will become A. It will be A. Okay. So if you have this da after like a n, it will be nay. I put a mark here because it doesn't change with E. It will still be E. And then U. Likewise, the top ones, it will be U, same. Drangbu, E, no change. There will be no change. It will stay E. And Naro, the O, just like the top, it will be U for this suffix. Okay. And then likewise, the sa here is the same. That's why I put the arrow there because it's similar. Same there, no change. Yeah, no change. And this, I think this should be U. I forgot to put the arrow. I believe this is U. So it acts the same way as the top one. Okay. So that's pretty much it. I hope that makes sense. I will show you guys, this is the last video for this lesson, but I want to make another video to just show you guys what resources I use to learn these letters. Okay. Yeah, I have a really good resource. I think I showed you guys in one of my resource videos, but I'll make another video and show you guys that resource I use and a place where you can go to listen to Tibetan music and some chat rooms. Okay. So this is pretty much it for the Tibetan lesson. If you know all of this, as long as you know all the stuff I introduced to you today, you should be able to read Tibetan. So these are the fundamentals. There's really nothing else to, there are some other things to learn, like such as how to use a dictionary. I was going to make a video on that, but I think what I'm going to do is just show you guys the resource I have. It's pretty good. They go through that stuff, and it will be useful. But I just pretty much wanted to make a video for the fundamentals. Now, someone requested me to continue to make Tibetan lessons. I will. Okay. So I like to hear that. I like to hear when people are interested in these lessons, but I will continue to make them. But if there isn't anyone out there actually taking it seriously, they're not really learning, then it's kind of like pointless of me to continue making videos and making lessons. I like to when I make lessons, I like to make the on the rudiments, and some stuff that I study. Like I'll share my knowledge with you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video here. And like I said, I will make another video. And if you guys have any questions, just send me a message. I hope I didn't forget anything here. I think I got everything. This is the chart. You guys have the suffixes, the prefixes. That should be it. Okay. So my videos will be up. I'm not going to take them down. So hopefully these videos were beneficial to those of you who are interested in learning Tibetan. This will conclude this video, and I will see you guys. I'll talk to you guys again some other time.